This highly successful fly pattern might trigger some fly fishers. To tie it, we'll start off with this Vivis body quill, secure that to the hook shank, and snip the excess free. Wrap back up towards the hook eye, and grab some vinyl ribbing. Here we're using a nymph size in red. Secure a small section to the hook shank, ensuring that it's resting on top of the hook. Continue to secure tightly just on top of our thread wraps. Once complete, grab your whip finisher and secure everything in place. Snip the excess free and grab some UV resin to paint over the body section. This will increase the durability and give the pattern a little bit of shine. Once happy, secure in place with a UV light and pinch the vinyl ribbing together to give it some character. And this is a pattern I like to use to imitate small freshwater worms, as well as little red midges. And the great thing about it is it can be trimmed to length on the water. This is a simple guide pattern that is likely to offend some, but works surprisingly well out on the water. You can find it on my website listed below. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.